And you can find out much more about the issues surrounding fake news online at bbc.co.uk/fake news. Time now for a look at the weather. Susan Powell is here.
Good evening, Sophie. Some really real sunshine across the UK today, as opposed to yesterday when it was interspersed with some hefty showers with some wide expanses of blue sky. Through the afternoon, though, the cloud has started to thicken a little bit from the west, and that is heralding the arrival of a weather system that will bring some rain into the north and west by the end of the night tonight. But to the south and east, the skies will stay pretty clear. So for the remainder of the evening, if you're heading out, it is a largely dry picture, although in a couple of hours we will see some rain heading into Northern Ireland. It'll briefly glance into Wales through the small hours of Wednesday, spread across Northern England too, and by the end of the night it's going to be looking pretty wet across Scotland, aside from the far north where clearer skies will make for a slightly cooler night. Elsewhere, though, with the breeze, with the cloud, a mild night, temperatures in double figures for many of us. To the south, certainly the best of the sunshine first thing tomorrow morning, but as the day goes on, that sunshine will creep its way further north. After a wet start, dry and bright for the afternoon for Wales and Northern England. Northern Ireland and Scotland always stuck with a bit more cloud, but drier prospects certainly through the second half of the day. Even if it is quite misty and murky as well, it will be very mild. We should see a few breaks, I think, around the Moray Firth, and their temperatures could get up to 17 degrees Celsius. For the remainder of the week, we will keep the mild weather. The story is going to settle down, though, quite considerably. So we'll lose those weather fronts pushing into the north and west. High pressure will come to dominate. A lot of dry weather. But I think our talking point as we go through this weekend and into next week will be some stubborn areas of cloud and some lingering patches of fog. And the fact that it will just start to feel significantly colder, I think, by the middle of next week, Sophie.
Susan, thank you. And that's all from the BBC News at 6. It's goodbye from me on BBC One. We join the BBC's news teams where you are. Bye-bye.